My name's Jason Brown. I'm the president of Ascent Builders. We were hired to be the general contractor and overall builder for this extreme altitude gymnastics building. We've created one of the premier gymnastics training facilities in the region. My client currently has 2 other facilities in the Denver area. He wanted to expand and have a facility that was much larger and had much more capabilities that his current facilities had. I relied on a referral from another person that I trust to be introduced to Metal Building Outlet. This is our first purchase of a steel building. This took about a year start to finish to build. There was about 6 months of design and engineering work prior to that. Ultimately, the price of the building was very competitive. They were very experienced and very knowledgeable in this kind of building. So the relationship we have with Metal Building Outlet wasn't just to get us to the sale of the building. They participated throughout the entire construction process and were on site on a regular basis to meet with us to go through questions that we had or issues that may have arisen. It was a good relationship all the way through until completion, and it certainly helped us meet our deadlines and get the project done on time. The dimensions of this building are 150 feet wide, 200 feet long, 25-foot eave height. This was a very big, complex building, and it was not without issues. But I think what defines a good relationship with a building supplier in this case is when you come across those issues, how are they dealt with? And so Danny and I worked together well on identifying those issues and getting them resolved, and ultimately ended up with a quality product. I think there were a few characteristics of this specific building design that are unique in the metal building world. First of all, this is a completely clear span building, meaning there are no steel columns in the center, which is exactly what my client needed. The other key design element really is the exterior of the building. So the city really wanted this to have a lot of curb appeal, and so we incorporated a lot of features that they requested, which include a lot of the windows that you see. There are parapets to hide some of the mechanical equipment on the roof. There are insulated panels on the outside which have either a stucco finish or a metal finish on them. On the interior, there's a mezzanine for a future second floor over the office space. This is a very efficient building from an insulation standpoint. All the exterior panels are an insulated panel that have an R20 insulation value inside them, fully encapsulated on both sides. The roof insulation is an R32 2-layer system underneath the roof. His energy bills at this location are less than his previous building that was half the size. Overall, this has been a great experience working with Metal Building Outlet, creating certainly the largest steel building we've ever put together. The client is incredibly happy with the ultimate end product. We're very happy with the end product, and we would welcome the opportunity to work with Metal Building Outlet again.